Ever wondered how we measure everything from the width of a human hair to the length of a classroom wall? Well, you're about to find out. This video highlights the common instruments for measuring length, instruments that measure the world around us. Here's a fun challenge for you. Can you guess which measuring instrument is precise enough to measure the thickness of a single strand of hair? Stick around, because the answer will surprise you and will reveal it along the way. Length is one of the fundamental dimensions we encounter daily, yet it often goes unnoticed in its brilliance. Essentially, length is the measure of the distance between 2 points. Simple, right? But what's fascinating is the variety of tools we use for this seemingly straightforward task. Whether it's constructing a skyscraper or crafting precision-engineered machinery, measuring instruments are indispensable. This video covers the 4 common instruments for measuring length. Here's your first challenge. Think of an object around you that could be measured with each of these tools. Let's start with the measuring tape, your trusty companion for long distances. This instrument is used to measure long lengths, used to measure the length of a classroom wall, the height of a tree, or even the perimeter of your garden. The tool is not just versatile, but also incredibly durable. Here's a tip. Next time you use a measuring tape, notice the small metal hook at the end. It's designed to move slightly to account for its own thickness, ensuring accurate measurements. Next, the meter rule. This one's perfect for medium-length measurements. Ever needed to measure the length of a school bench or your desk at home? This tool is the go-to choice for students, carpenters, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Here's a fun challenge for you. Measure the width of your phone or tablet using a meter rule and compare it to its advertised dimensions. How close were you? Share your results in the comments. Now for something more precise, the vernier caliper. This instrument is a marvel of engineering, allowing you to measure dimensions down to a fraction of a millimeter. Want to know the diameter of a pen or the internal diameter of a water tap? The vernier caliper has you covered. A bonus tip: learning to read a vernier caliper is a skill worth mastering. It'll not only impress your friends, but also make you feel like a scientist conducting high-precision experiments. And finally, the micrometer screw gauge, the ultimate tool for extreme precision. Imagine measuring the thickness of a single strand of hair, or the diameter of a razor blade. The micrometer screw gauge is precise enough to measure the thickness of human hair. That's typically around 0.07 millimeters. Mind blown? Thought so. So, there you have it, the 4 instruments that allow us to measure the world with astonishing accuracy, from the towering walls of buildings to the tiniest strands of hair. These tools might seem simple, but they're the backbone of engineering, science, and even daily life. Now that you know the basics, in the next video we'll dive deeper into the vernier caliper. You'll learn how to use it, read its measurements, and apply it to real-world challenges. Stay tuned, and as always, stay curious.